So for my sports day video, I'm going to try some bowling. I've managed to fill and find some plastic bottles. They're recycled. We had orange juice in them, but I expect you might have some from Coca-Cola or from other things. You could even use milk bottles. One of them didn't have a top, so I just sellotaped over the top, because inside of each bottle I've got some water, because that will make it just a little bit harder for the ball to knock them over. Okay, I've arranged them in a sort of a skittle shape, and I've made sure that if they fall over when the ball hits them, they will touch another bottle, hopefully, and maybe hit it over if I get it at the right angle. So then you can tot up your scores, everybody can have a go, and you can go to pretend you're in a bowling alley. You ready? Can you see the bottles? I'm going to toss the ball at them and see if I can knock them over now. Here we go. Ready. Put a bit more power behind my throw this time. Oh, I managed to knock one over. There we are. So I've scored one. Maybe if you've got a bigger ball, or you've got a bit more power in your arm, you'll knock more over than me at once. Enjoy your sports day. Bye.